thank you for your interest in the Qasimi Foundation grants. This step-by-step guide explains how to submit the grant application through our online portal. So, let's go. Before you apply, carefully review the eligibility criteria for the grant you are applying to. Read the applicant handbook and the grant guidelines in full before starting your application. Download and prepare all required templates and documents in advance. Ensure your proposed project aligns with the foundation priority area. Prepare the following documents before starting. First, your research or project proposal using the required template. Second, your budget using the provided format. Third, your CV as the applicant or project lead. And finally, letters of support if required. Also, it's important if you need to submit your ethics or IRB documents, if it's applicable, and any additional supporting material specified in the call. Just to let you know, preparing this in advance will make the application process smoother. Before starting the online form, use a stable internet connection and prepare all files in PDF or the required format. In addition, use a clear file name, for example, proposal_name_date. Also, ensure all information is accurate and consistent across documents. And finally, save your application regularly while working. There are some common reasons applications are returned for revision, and these include missing required document, using incorrect templates, incomplete budget or missing cost details, missing signature or approvals, proposal not aligned with the grant scope, or required field left incomplete in the portal. Please review your application carefully before submitting to avoid delay. To access the grants portal, please visit www.alqasimi.flux.io. On the home page, click Login if you already have an account, or Register if you are a new applicant. If you previously had an account on the old platform Tactive, click Forget Password to receive a new password for the updated system. On this page, select the type of grant you are applying for. For grant applicants, select Grants and proceed. After clicking Register, complete the registration form. Fill in all required fields, as every field on this page is mandatory. Once completed, click Submit, a request to continue. A verification email will be sent to your registered email address. Open the email and click the provided link to verify your account and set up your password. After setting up your password, return to the portal and log in using your email address and newly created password. From the dashboard, click Apply for funding if you are applying for a new grant. Click Active if you currently have an active grant. Scroll through the list of available grants. Click on the appropriate grant and then select Apply for a grant. Carefully review the grant requirement and choose the option that matches your grant type. You will be directed to the application page. Click Edit User Profile to review and complete your personal details. Again, click Edit User Profile to ensure your personal details are complete and accurate before proceeding. Some required information may be missing, including your full name as shown on your passport, Emirates ID, academic details, and other personal information. Ensure all required fields are completed before proceeding. Once again, click Save. Proceed to complete the remaining sections of the application, including grant proposal, budget details, declaration, and ensure all information provided is accurate. This section is for uploading supporting documents. Ensure that all required documents listed are uploaded before submitting the application. Click Add Files to select documents from your device. Upload each document into its corresponding required section. Click Start, Upload to proceed. Ensure all uploaded files appear under the Grant Documents section. Continue uploading until all required documents have been successfully added. If some documents are unavailable or incomplete, click Save and Close. This will save your application as a draft, allowing you to return later. Reload the page to view your saved draft application in the Draft section. After reloading, the Draft section will display drafts. Click Edit at the top of the page to continue working on your draft application once the missing documents are available. After uploading all required documents and completing all sections, click Save and Close to finalize the application. Review all information and uploaded documents carefully. Once verified, click Submit to submit your grant applications. You will receive a confirmation email after submission. Applications are reviewed according to the Foundation evaluation process. Applicants may be contacted if clarification or additional documents are required. Final decisions are communicated by email. Review timelines vary depending on the grant cycle. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK to confirm that all information and documents have been reviewed and submitted correctly. You will receive a confirmation email thanking you for submitting your application. The email will include your application reference number for future correspondence. Reload the portal page. Your application will now appear in the Submitted section with the status under review. The grants team will review your application and contact you if further action is required. This is the page where the application status can be verified, whether accepted or rejected. For more information, refer to the Applicant Handbook, Grant Guidelines and Template, and also frequent asked questions on our portal. For technical issues, contact grants@alqasimifoundation.rak.ae. Thank you for joining this step-by-step guide to the Qasimi Foundation grants. We wish you every success with your application, and if you need any assistance, please contact the grants team. Thank you and all the best.